UN Security Council resolutions offers a workable framework to resolve long-standing disputes, including those in our region. Failure to implement these resolutions speedily and amicably has brought unimaginable suffering to the people of these regions. One of the worst examples is Palestine, where over 37,000 innocent civilians, mostly women and children, have been killed, and over 2 million have been displaced by Israel's indiscriminate and unabated bombing. SU must outrightly denounce this barbaric act and call for an immediate and unconditional ceasefire leading to the implementation of the two-state solution, which includes the establishment of the Palestine as a viable, secure and contiguous state on the basis of pre-1967 borders with Al-Quds as its capital.